got Reaper's injectors in, I think. Let's open them up and see how bad they really are. These are out of his burn-up cars.
Alright.
One where he had the trailer fire. See how bad they are.
Wow.
Crispy. Oh yeah. Yeah, they got hot.
Good Lord.
But they are made of bill of materials, so
We can make them like new again.
Oh yeah.
let's just tear them down and fix them like we've done before.
Yeah.
Show them after they're resurrected. We'll do them again. We'll do another video. All right, so what's the verdict, guys?
We're going to start first by going ahead and taking all the inlet tubes out and getting all the roll pins out and replacing those first.
This is a test one here, so they're already gonna clean up pretty well.
Okay.
It'll be alright.
And we're gonna punch the discs out and reload them with all new parts.
Okay.
We got to replace all the coils. All the coils are all burnt. So
Yeah, there's a burn up coil right there. Got pretty hot. So they're torn down and they're ready to be cleaned up and reloaded with new parts, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna start getting these roll pins out of here.
All right.
The tubes.
Good job, guys. All right, guys, where we stand with Reaper here. What we got?
Well, we're all done with them. They're all refreshed, ready to go.
All that's left now is get some plastic mold on there.
We can see that we've lost some coating off of these, but they all checked out per specifications on dimensional structure and everything. So the heat did take some of the coating off, but the dimensions remained the same.
Doesn't take away from the integrity of the injector.
It's tough materials we use.
We'll mold them next and then we'll run them.
Yeah, we're getting ready to, as you can see, they don't have any plastic molding on the connector area yet. We're going to go ahead and take them back in the warehouse and put them in the machine and mold them up. Good job, guys. All right, so let's get these Reaper injectors marked with the Phoenix, because they're definitely reincarnated after that fire. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. There they are. Time to ship them off and put them in a car.
Roll done.
Resurrected.
Ready to box up.
Cool. From who?
Bill has Jack from Bill Atomizer.
Come on. Billet Atomizer? I didn't know anything from Billet Atomizer. Ooh. Okay, you just want to set it over there?
Can we open it up instead?
Of course we can open it up and check. Are you excited?
That's why I'm shaking my legs right now.
Why are you shaking? Why are you so excited?
Because I'm big on packages.
I know you are. Watch out. Cut you with my knife. Let me jump out of here. Oh, take a box. Okay. Well, here, let's check it out. See what it is. You know what these are, right?
I think so.
I haven't seen it for a long time. Do it as a matter.
Reaper Phoenix.
Awesome.
Stickers.
Wow. Check that out. Look at the Phoenix you put on. Other than the black being gone, it looks like brand new again. And
Hard to believe those were the same injectors, but they were.
that's fucking amazing. Well, you can tell. There's one that wasn't in the car. The only difference is the black. That coating's off of it. Now,
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool, Papa.
well, let's look at something else.
Yeah. Can I open it?
225s, 575s, and 225 or 950s.
Oh.
That's just fucking amazing.
Stickers.
Now,
Can I get a...
and you can tell that is the actual burnt ones because these were my spares. And other than the black coating. Now, I challenge any other manufacturer, especially Fuel Tech, to let me take a set of their injectors, smack it with a fucking blowtorch, and then rebuild them to brand new again.
Can I have those stickers
Sure you can have those stickers.
for my treehouse?
Sure you can. Isn't that cool though?
Yeah.
Did you see the Phoenix on it?
Yes.
See the bird? That is unbelievable. There's another one. That is unbelievable that he was able to rebuild those. But
We just
That's
got
why-
one.
that's why, because the way that he does these, now I'll just tell everybody. That's why Fuel Tech had to copy Jack at Bill and Atomizer, because he has the only rebuildable racing injector, and that just proves something right there that they can't do. You guys at the front of this video is when I sent them to Jack, and I honestly didn't believe Jack was gonna be able to fix them. And he did call me and tell me, oh, these are bad, but we'll be able to fix them. And the only thing other than what they would normally do to rebuild the injector is the plastic. The plastic where they had to put the injector caps on it, and they had to put new coils in it because it melted the coils. But them are the same injectors, totally rebuilt by Jack French at Bill and Atomizer for Phoenix. So that's why Bill and Atomizer is the #1 fucking injector out there, and somebody has to copy them to be able to have the same quality. And the thing is, theirs is not the same quality. I promise you, even though they tried to copy Jack's, they're not exact. So here's my challenge. Anybody's got to say them injectors, let's throw them in a fire and let's burn them up, and then we'll watch the process of rebuilding. Because you guys at the front of this video are going to see from the time that they took these injectors, cleaned them up, and totally rebuilt them. The same injectors. That's why Bill Atomizer is #1, and they're made in the USA. Just like that wheel, USA still stands up.